If you want to reset your iPhone or you just want a fresh start because your iPhone is buggy or glitchy, you can always choose to reset it without losing or deleting any of your data. This won't delete your photos, your contacts, all of your downloaded apps, your logins. All of that stuff will stay completely intact. And there are two primary options you have to be able to do this. So let's jump right in. The first option is if your phone is buggy or glitchy or not working well, we can always do a hard reset on it. This is the first go-to option. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So let me do that with you real quick. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Now what you're going to see first is it says slide power off, but just keep holding that side button until you see your iPhone screen go black like this, but you're going to continue to hold until you see the Apple logo. When you do see that Apple logo, you can release your fingers off the buttons and just wait for it to reset. What this is called is a hard reset on your iPhone, and a lot of times it fixes bugs and glitches in your iPhone itself. However, if this doesn't fix your issue, then there is another option to be able to reset it, again, without losing any of that data. So all of your data, all of your photos, all of your videos, all of your contacts, your photos, your apps, all of that stuff will stay completely intact. And I'll show you the secret to be able to do that directly in the settings once this iPhone goes through the process of restarting. You can see it does take a little bit longer than normal because you've done a force restart on it. Now, the next thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top, and then tap on iCloud. Now, just in case, I would highly recommend backing everything up before you do this. So tap on iCloud Backup and just tap on Backup now to back up your phone, again, just in case. After we've done that, let's tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings. Tap on General midway down and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can see an option that says erase all content and settings. This does a factory reset and it does delete out all your data. However, we can choose the reset option here and we can choose to reset your network settings, delete the eSIM, reset your keyboard, etc. However, if you want to reset your iPhone completely without losing data, choose the reset all settings here. I'll just use my Face ID to authenticate. And it'll also ask me for that password for my phone. And now this says it will reset all the settings and your Apple Pay cards and passes. However, no data or media will be deleted, including your apps will all stay on there. So if you're ready to go and you want to fix some issues with your phone, just tap on the reset all settings. It will restart your iPhone and all of those settings will be back to factory default, but all your data will still be on your phone. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.